Creating a compelling art idea for art lovers involves a combination of inspiration, themes, and artistic techniques. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you develop your own creative art concept. Step 1. Identify your theme. Choose a central theme that resonates with art lovers. Consider themes like connection, between people, cultures, or art forms. Transformation, the process of creating art. Emotion, expressing feelings through art. Imagination, the power of creativity. Step 2. Brainstorm visual elements. Think about the visual symbols and elements that relate to your theme. For example, colors, what emotions do they evoke? E.g., warm colors for passion, cool colors for calm. Shapes, what forms can represent your ideas? E.g., spirals for growth, circles for unity. Textures, what materials can enhance the sensory experience? E.g., rough textures for struggle, smooth for serenity. Step 3. Choose your medium. Decide which medium will best convey your idea. Options include painting, offers flexibility with color and texture. Sculpture, allows for three-dimensional exploration. Digital art, great for experimenting with layers and effects. Mixed media, combines various materials for depth and complexity. Step 4. Create a composition. Sketch out your composition. Consider focal point, what will draw the viewer's eye? Balance, how will you arrange elements to create harmony? Movement, how will the viewer's gaze flow through the piece? Step 5. Infuse personal experience. Incorporate your own experiences and emotions. Reflect on what inspires you. Personal stories, memories, or passions. How can your perspective add depth to the theme? Step 6. Experiment and refine. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and techniques. Create drafts and seek feedback from fellow artists or friends. Refine your concept based on their insights. Step 7. Present your work. Think about how you will share your artwork with others. Consider exhibitions, local galleries or community centers. Online platforms, social media or art websites. Art events, participate in fairs or workshops to reach wider audiences. Example concept. Theme, the journey of creativity. Visual elements, a winding path with various artistic tools along the way, brushes, musical notes, etc. Medium, mixed media, combining painting and 3D elements. Composition, the path leads to a vibrant horizon, symbolizing the endless possibilities of creativity. By following these steps, you can create a unique and meaningful art idea that resonates with art lovers. Would you like help generating an image based on a specific concept you create? Sure. Here are additional steps and ideas to further develop your creative art concept. Step 8. Research and inspiration. Gather inspiration from various sources. Art history, explore movements, artists, and styles that resonate with your theme. Nature, observe colors, shapes, and patterns in the natural world. Literature, read poetry or stories that evoke emotions related to your theme. Step 9. Engage with art lovers. Share your initial ideas with fellow art lovers and gather their insights. Consider discussion groups, participate in art forums or local meetups. Surveys, ask for feedback on specific concepts or themes. Step 10. Develop a narrative. Craft a narrative that ties your artwork together. This could be a story, a personal journey that informs your artistic process. A message, a statement about the importance of creativity or the human experience. Step 11. Experiment with techniques. Try out different artistic techniques that align with your concept. Layering, use transparent materials to create depth. Collage, combine different media for a mixed media approach. Abstract techniques, explore abstraction to convey emotions more powerfully. Step 12, plan your execution. Outline a step-by-step plan for creating your artwork. Gather materials. List everything you'll need, including tools and supplies. Set a timeline, create a schedule to keep your project on track. Create a workspace, designate a creative space that inspires you. Step 13, document your process. Capture the journey of creating your art. Photography, take photos at different stages of your work. Journaling, write about your thoughts, challenges, and breakthroughs. Step 14, final touches. As you near completion, reflect on details, add finishing touches that enhance the overall impact. Presentation, consider framing, mounting, or digitally presenting your work. Example concepts. Concept 1, the tides of inspiration. Theme, the ebb and flow of creativity. Visual elements, waves made of paint splashes, with figures surfing the waves, symbolizing artists riding the highs and lows of creative processes. Medium, digital art with fluid effects. Concept 2, the canvas of life. Theme, life as an evolving artwork. Visual elements. A large canvas with different scenes representing various life stages and experiences. Medium, mixed media, incorporating fabric, paint, and found objects. Concept 3, harmony in diversity. Theme, the beauty of diverse artistic expressions. Visual elements, a vibrant collage of art styles, impressionism, abstract, realism, blended into a single piece, showcasing unity in diversity. Medium, collage and painting. Feel free to choose one of these concepts for further exploration or let me know if you'd like more ideas or assistance with a specific aspect. Absolutely. Here are even more steps and creative art ideas to inspire you. Step 15, explore cultural influences. Consider incorporating cultural elements into your artwork. Cultural symbols, use motifs or symbols from different cultures that resonate with your theme. Artistic traditions, explore techniques or styles from global art traditions, e.g., Japanese ink painting, African textiles. Step 16, collaborate with other artists. Engage with other artists to enrich your project. Joint projects, collaborate on a piece that combines different styles and perspectives. Workshops, attend or host workshops to learn new techniques and gain fresh insights. Step 17, incorporate technology. Explore how technology can enhance your art. Digital tools, use software for digital painting or graphic design. Interactive art, consider creating an interactive piece that engages viewers in a unique way. Step 18, reflect on social issues. Address social themes that resonate with art lovers. Environmental concerns, create art that raises awareness about climate change or conservation. Social justice, use your art to comment on social issues, promoting dialogue and awareness. Step 19, create a series. Consider developing a series of related works. Thematic series, create multiple pieces exploring different facets of a single theme. Progression series, show the evolution of a concept or emotion through a sequence of artworks. Example concepts. Concept 4, Voices of the Past. Theme, the power of history and memory. Visual elements, layers of text, photographs, and symbols representing historical events or personal memories, creating a dialogue between the past and present. Medium, mixed media with collage techniques. Concept 5, the dance of colors. Theme, the interplay of emotions and colors. Visual elements, abstract shapes and vibrant colors flowing together, representing different emotions that blend and interact. Medium, acrylic pouring technique to create fluid, dynamic forms. Concept 6, the Garden of Dreams. Theme, nurturing creativity and ideas. Visual elements, a whimsical garden filled with blooming flowers that represent different artistic ideas, each flower uniquely styled to reflect various art forms. Medium, watercolor or pastel to create soft, dreamy effects. Concept 7, the echo of art. Theme, the impact of art across generations. Visual elements. A series of hands from different ages reaching out to one another, with artistic elements flowing between them, symbolizing the transmission of creativity. Medium, charcoal for dramatic contrasts, combined with vibrant pastels for the artistic elements. Feel free to explore any of these concepts further or let me know if you'd like even more ideas or guidance on a specific topic.